Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor device to Samsung Galaxy F15. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then select Send next to Selected at the bottom and hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then hit Receive button to connect. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!